Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Notion API integration, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open your web browser and navigate to the Notion website. Log into your Notion account using your credentials.
Once logged in, create a new integration by going to the Notion developers page.
Click on the New Integration button. Fill in the required fields for your integration. Provide a name for your integration. Choose the workspace where the integration will be used. Select the capabilities you want to grant the integration. Click on the Submit button to create your integration.
Once created, copy the internal integration token provided. Now open a new tab and navigate to your project where you want to use the Notion API. In your project, locate the configuration file or environment variables.
Paste the internal integration token into the appropriate section. Make sure to save your changes.
Next, return to your Notion workspace and identify the database you want to work with.
Click on the three dots in the right corner of the database. Select Share from the drop-down menu. In the Share settings, find the integration you just created. Invite the integration to access the database. Adjust any permissions necessary to allow access. With everything set up, open your code editor. Install any necessary libraries for connecting to the Notion API. Make sure your project is properly configured to use the Notion API. Write a function to authenticate using the integration token. Use the Notion API documentation as a reference. Test your integration by making a sample request to the Notion API. Check for any errors or issues in your request. If successful, you should receive a valid response from the API. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.